What's going on, folks? Welcome to the video. Hope you guys are doing great today. This is Chris from Relatable Trading. Let's get on and do a little video here. Haven't been doing videos, been taking a break actually, but we are back today and let's talk about stuff. So actually this is an idea for a video that I had for about over a month, but I never made the video until now. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the paradox that exists between being a YouTube content creator and being a trader and being involved in a trading business, running a trading business. So this is something that I've realized myself from doing this stuff. So everything you're going to hear in this video is my own opinion based on my own experience with the matter, and it may or may not open you up to another way of thinking about the industry that we're in now, the financial industry, but also the education industry and the YouTube content creators that talk about trading as if it's something that anybody can do and that people should do. So you're gonna get my outlook on this. I've been trading for over 3 years and I've been trading consistently the same market for about 2 years, and that's pretty much it. In case you don't know, my name is Chris and I run this channel, Relatable Trading. So welcome, hit the subscribe button and like the video if you enjoy this content, and let's get to it right now. Okay, so the first thing is in this video, I want to talk about how my YouTube business interferes with my trading business and how they do not help each other. They're actually two different things. Okay, so when it comes to trading, the business of trading, the business of risk management, really it has nothing to do with my YouTube business, because when I'm focusing on YouTube, I'm focused on things like coming up with videos to make, editing the videos, coming up with creative ways to produce the videos and make the thumbnails for the videos and market the videos. Think of creative ways to monetize my channel. It's a YouTube business after all. On the other side of my cookie is the trading business, the business of risk management, the business of developing strategies, following what the market has been doing, adapting my strategies on a daily basis. They're really two separate things. If I focus on my YouTube business, it's not going to help my trading business. In fact, it's probably going to negatively impact my trading business because I'm creating an imbalance, because I'm spending a lot of time working on YouTube and not enough time working on my trading. So at the end of the day, there is a sacrifice that needs to be made here. So the next point in the video, I actually want to talk about the paradox that exists here between YouTube content creators who talk about trading and the financial industry itself. So this is my honest opinion. This is my honest thoughts, my honest opinion. There's nothing in my entire life that has made me feel more like crap than trading has, in the sense that trading is one of the only things that I've done in my life where I can spend hours and hours learning things, working on things, applying techniques, fine-tuning strategies, working on my risk management, working on ideas, principles, and still, after all of that, after all that time, consistently not make money or consistently break even. Meaning it's a zero-sum game. You're putting in time, effort, and you're not seeing any results as a product of it. And what's even worse is when you're losing money consistently, is when you start to see your P&L as green day 10 points, red day 12 points, green day 30 points, red day 35 points. And what that is, it's volatility in your P&L. What you're doing is not consistent enough. You can't scale that. And I've been a product of this at least through the summertime. I've seen improvements and I'm always working on stuff. And this is what trading is all about. I'm aware that trading is a variable income business. I've been involved in variable income businesses for the last probably 7 years of my life. So I know what it is to live off of variable income. So that's one of the skills that I have that makes me able to survive the lifestyle of trading, because I already know what it feels like to have a variable income. And that's exactly what trading is. So getting back to the paradox now, this is where I'm going to get into the meat of the potatoes of this idea. The act of trading, on average, is not going to make somebody feel good. Trading is not there for you to be happy about. Trading is not something happy. In fact, you're going to feel a lot of pain when you're trading, when you're learning about trading. When you trade, there is a lot of stress involved. You're going to feel pain. So now, the whole thing with YouTube is that there's hundreds of guys on YouTube coming out and talking about trading and marketing trading in a way to convince you that it's something that you're going to be able to do long term and be sustainable at. But they're not telling you what I just told you, is that trading is the one thing in my entire life that has made me consistently, on a regular basis, feel like garbage. So this is where the industry is totally messed up. There's people out there making podcasts, selling education courses for trading, telling you that trading has the potential to be a sustainable business. Here's an example. I have a YouTube channel about trading. I can talk to you guys about trading. I can share with you my experiences about trading. And what would actually be better is I can just make tutorials about how to use certain tools for trading. And this is actually the type of content that has worked the best for my channel. And it's probably the type of content I'm going to continue to make on this channel. Now, when you have a YouTube business, it makes sense to think like a businessman. How can I monetize this channel more? Well, this is the problem. The only way to monetize a trading channel is to be sponsored by companies that offer trading products, either brokerages or trading platforms or things like that. So when you're sponsored by trading platforms and brokerages and all this stuff, what you're doing is you're promoting trading. And what you're doing when you're promoting trading is you're promoting something that is likely to make the average person feel like crap. Therefore, you're promoting something that is morally incorrect, in my opinion. And this is the big issue. So when you're promoting trading, no matter how you promote it, you could be coming off as a clean-cut business guy, talking about experiences with traders, talking about platforms for trading, talking about anything related to trading. You're still promoting trading, which is something that is likely to make the average person feel like crap. Trading is the business of risk management, but you know what else it is? It's the business of taking money out of other traders' accounts on a consistent basis. And in order to make money consistently, that's what you need to do. You need to be a shark looking to take money consistently out of other traders' accounts. When you watch traders' videos on YouTube about how to trade, how to use technical analysis, how to use a platform, or how to do this, or what's a new product that everyone's trading, what you are is you're actually a fish in the water, and someone's out there gonna catch you pretty soon when you start trading it. Because guys that have been doing this for way longer than you, they know what it is to get caught with their pants down in the market. And what's gonna happen is you're the one gonna be caught with your pants down. And you're not even gonna know it sometimes. So this whole machine that exists of YouTube content creators promoting the idea of trading, promoting trading platforms, promoting trading products, they're feeding the market, they're feeding Wall Street, they're feeding the sharks in the water is what they're feeding, okay? All of us retail traders, we're all a bunch of little fishies, all right? And unless you know where your edge is, unless you know how to catch a fish and exactly which fish is getting caught and why, then you're gonna be the one getting caught. I've been caught a number of times, so I can tell you that. So again, the paradox of my YouTube channel is exactly that. I have a channel related to trading. The only way to monetize the channel is by talking about trading, by promoting trading stuff. When I'm promoting trading stuff, I'm actually promoting stuff that is going to give pain and hardships to the average person. Because when people get into trading, they don't know what they're getting into. They really don't. And I'm here to tell you that trading is really not something that the average person can do. It's not something you really want to get into. Having a YouTube channel related to trading is actually, well, kind of morally incorrect in a way, because you're promoting something that is in a way helpful, because you're helping people understand something that they wouldn't have known otherwise. However, the thing you're helping them with is something that's not likely going to help them in the long term, because they're going to go down this rabbit hole of getting into trading. And what they're going to do in that process is they're going to lose money from it, and they're going to experience pain and loss, which in a way could be argued that it is a positive, because learning from losses, learning from pain is a good thing. However, you end up in this loop of getting into trading as a business. But in reality, it's the business of risk management, the business of taking money out of traders' accounts on a consistent basis. It's not easy to sustain. And if you're not in shape, you're not going to be able to do it consistently. All it takes for you is to be off your game one day. I went to the theme park last week. After that, for some reason, I couldn't trade good. I was all over the place. I showed up the next morning. I don't even know the word. I was like just struck by the information I was seeing. I was sitting here. I was a sitting duck. I couldn't read what was going on. I feel better now after a few days of kind of getting back into my zone, my loop and everything. But it just goes to show you, trading is like this sport that if you're not there 1 hour of the day, and if you're not admitting that you're not on your game, you're going to give your money to the market. You're going to give your money to Wall Street. Some other trader out there who's more in shape than you are right now is going to be taking the money out of your account. And this goes into the next point. When it comes to separating the two, the YouTube business and the trading business, I think it really comes down to this: knowing exactly what the purpose behind those two things are. Knowing the why. Why do you trade, number one, and why do you do YouTube business, number two? Why do I trade? I actually asked a number of traders this question, and I had the privilege of getting some pretty good responses. If you don't know why you trade, you shouldn't be trading. As simple as that. Because if you don't know why you trade, you're going to be donating your money to Wall Street. If you don't know why you do the YouTube business, then you shouldn't be doing it either. So how I'm going to conclude this video now is, whatever you do in life, you need to know the purpose behind it. I'm a believer in that whatever you do, you have to understand the morals behind what you're doing. You know, some people can live with this. Some people can live with selling you a product that is a completely useless product that is not likely to help you at all. However, they'll still sell it to you and take your money from it. Personally, I can't do that. I cannot live that way. I do not want to build a business that is morally incorrect, that I am selling something, I'm giving something to people, I'm advertising for something that is not likely to help people. I want to help people. I spent 5 years of my life street performing, and in those 5 years, I felt the most fulfilled that I've ever felt. In trading, I do not feel that same fulfillment, but it's logical because trading is not a fulfilling business. We don't trade for that fulfillment. I'll read to you one thing I got from a Twitter guy. X-guy on Twitter, he says, "I trade for freedom, for control over my time. This is priceless. I could care less about material possessions. I want to be free. That's all that's driving me. That's all I need." That is the purpose behind this guy's trading. He knows why he trades. So guys, whatever you do in life, you want to know why you do it. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash like. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Ciao.